Let's solve this question together. It says x squared over 16 is equal to 16 over x squared. We're required to solve for x in this question, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to multiply, cross multiply. So we have x squared multiplied by x squared is x squared plus, so you add the power, so this is 2 plus 2 to be equal to 16 times 16 is 16 squared, okay? So we have x raised to the power 4 to be equal to 16 squared. Now let's raise both sides to the power of half. Okay, so we have x raised to the power 4 raised to the power of half to be equal to 16 squared raised to the power of half. Okay? Moving on from here, when you have two powers raised to, when you have a number raised to two powers, you can multiply the power. So this is 4 times half, which is 2. So we have x raised to the power 2 to be equal to, on this other side, when you raise a number to the power of half, it means the square root of that number. And square root of this, so we have square root of 16 squared to be equal to plus or minus. So the square root of a number is plus or negative, whatever you have here. So square root of 16 squared is the same thing as plus or minus 16. So we have x squared to be equal to plus or minus 16. Okay. Moving on from here, let's take the first number for example. So we have that x squared is equal to plus 16. Okay, so which is 16. Again, take the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared is x, and square root of 16 will now be plus or minus. Square root of 16 is 4. Okay, or for the second one, we have that x squared is equal to negative 16. Okay, now here we'll take the square root of both sides. So we have this is equal to, so we have x to be equal to plus or minus root of negative 16. Alright, and this is equal to root of negative 1 is I. So we have that this is plus or minus root of negative 1 multiplied by root of 16. This is now equal to plus or minus I root 16, which is equal to plus or minus, this is 4 multiplied by I. Alright, so this is our second x. So it's either that x is equal to plus or minus 4 or plus or minus 4i. Okay, so these are the 4 answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.